everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to solve quadratic equations, NCERT chapter 4, class 10. So what is a quadratic equation? Any equation of degree 2 is quadratic equation and its general form is ax square plus bx plus c equal 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. So any quadratic equation will have two roots, or we can say it zeros also, like we had find in chapter number 2, polynomials. So here in this chapter we will learn how to find roots of quadratic equation by two different methods which are in our syllabus. So first is factorization, which is also called splitting the middle term, as we had done previously in chapter number 2. And the second method is the quadratic formula method, which is a new method in which we will put the values of a, b, c in this formula and we will get the value of x. One more thing, here we will learn how to find nature of roots. For this we will calculate discriminant d equal b square minus 4ac. ABC we will get from the equation itself, and after solving, if D is greater than 0 means D is positive, then roots are real and distinct. If D is 0, then roots are real and equal. If D is negative, then roots are imaginary, and in this case we will not find roots. So now we will start with the first exercise, exercise 4.1. In this, the first question is, we have to check whether the following equations are quadratic equations or not. So for this, we will first solve them algebraically, normal, how we solve a algebraic equation by using algebraic identities and other methods, how to solve the equation. So in the first part, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 bracket x minus 3. First we will expand the left side by identity a plus b whole square, and then we will solve it and we will get x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So we can see here degree is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. In the second part, x square minus 2x is equal to minus 2, 3 minus x. Here also we will solve it and we will get x square minus 4x plus 6. Here also it is a quadratic equation because its degree is 2. In the third part, we will solve by multiplying binomials and we will get minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. It is not a quadratic equation. Fourth part, again we will get a quadratic equation. In fifth part, also after solving this, we will get a quadratic equation. In the sixth part, it is not a quadratic equation. Seventh part, here the equation is given as x plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x bracket x square minus 1. In this, we will apply the identity a plus b whole cube, and after solving, we will get a cubic equation. So it is not a quadratic equation. In eighth part, we will solve this equation by applying again the identity a minus b whole cube and we will get a quadratic equation. Then question number 2. In this, we have to form quadratic equation based on some situations. So only we will form the equation, we have not to solve them. So the first question is, area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. Length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. We need to find length and breadth of the plot. So we will assume breadth as x and length as 2x plus 1. Applying the formula of area, length into breadth, we will get equation 2x square plus x minus 528 equals 0. This is our required equation. Second part of this question is product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Since the integers are consecutive, consecutive word here means one after the other. So integers would be x and x plus 1. And their product is 306. So we will get the equation x square plus x minus 306 equals 0. This is the required equation. Third part. Rohan's mother age is 26 years older than him. The product of their age 3 years from now will be 360. What we would like to find Rohan's present age. Let Rohan's present age be x and his mother's age be x plus 26 years. After 3 years, Rohan's age would be x plus 3 and his mother's age would be x plus 29 years. And the product of ages is 360. So we will get a equation x square plus 32x minus 273 equals 0. This is our required equation. Fourth part, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed has been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of train. So let us assume the speed of train be x km per hour and distance is given as 480 km. If the time taken to be taken as when the speed is x km per hour, the time would be 48 upon x because time is distance upon speed. And when the speed would be x minus 8, the time taken would be 480 upon x minus 8. We know when speed is less, then time taken is more. So we will take 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x equal 3. After taking the LCM, we will get the equation as 3x square minus 24x equal 3840 and then after again solving it, we will get x square minus 8x minus 1280 equals 0. This is our required equation. So here we are done with this exercise. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.